Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number 9. This video continues to stress the importance of teaching students how to recognise numbers and how to connect them to real life. Excuse me. The meaning of the number 9 can be simply explained by saying that it represents 9 objects in real life. Tracing. Now, tracing is very important in kindergarten because it's closely connected to fine motor skills, so we need to give students plenty of opportunities to trace. Students are given opportunities to trace the number 9. There's just some examples here, and you'd give them many more examples because the more often they trace the number 9, the more likely it is they'll remember what it looks like. It can be explained to students that the tracing represents the short way of writing the number 9. It is the actual number. We also need to explain that it can be written as a word. Students are given opportunities to trace the word 9. Here are 2 examples, and they'd be given many more. Naturally, teachers would make students aware of the appropriate font. Students are given opportunities to recognise those groups that contain 9 objects. For the first example, students would be asked to circle the box that contains 9 objects. When they hear the word box, I'm sure they'll recognise that it's only one box, and they will pick this one. For the next example, students would be asked to circle the boxes that contain 9 objects. When they hear the word boxes, they know that it'll definitely be more than one box, so when they look closely, they'll circle this one and this one. We all know how students love to colour in, so they'd be given opportunities to colour 9 animals. You can have any objects here that you like. And students definitely love drawing, and here are just 3 examples where they can draw 9 horses, 9 stars and 9 ducks. You can pick any objects you want, as long as students have many opportunities to do some drawing. So this video has introduced students to the number 9, and we've made some connections to the real world.